Hello, I want to explain the leaf map. We want to create a beautiful tree, so we need beautiful textures. If we use a single leaf texture for every leaf, the tree will have a very triangle counts. But using the leaf map, this is the leaf map. Using the leaf map, we can bake the single leaf texture into the more textures, more into a single tree. Then we can bake into another tree a lot of leaf, then use into your tree. This is a texture with a lot of leaves with a very low polygon. So you have a single leaf texture. This is a single leaf texture. This is a leaf map with branch. In the real, this is a trunk. This is a branch, and this is a leaf. But when you take a screenshot, this now is a leaf map. And again, you can use this in another trunk, branch, and leaf map. You can have a very large leaf map. Here I have created a tree. This is a tree. Here I want to search it. This is a tree created using Unity Tree Creator. You can see the branch, leaf. Now you can take a screenshot from this leaf, this tree, using my capture leaf map tool. You can easily render this texture into a leaf map. To have a leaf map, here you can see the leaf map. Now you can use this leaf map into your tree to have a very realistic and optimized tree model. Without any 3D leaf, you have a very realistic tree.